Hello again, Mrs. Hewitt here, introducing our new tech set. This is a series study, but it also could be considered an author study because all four books we're going to read are written by the same two authors in this case. So we've done author studies already with Janelle Cannon and Patricia Polacco. We've had experiences reading groups of books written by the same author, and we're able to come up with things we notice that these authors always and often include in their books. And we're going to do the same thing with these books, except they're also in a series, which makes them even more similar. So I'm going to start by reading a little blurb about these books. So, the books in this set were written by Diane Hutz Aston and illustrated by Sylvia Long, focusing on aspects of the natural world. And if we stop there for a second, we can see this book is called An Egg is Quiet, A Rock is Lively, A Butterfly is Patient, and A Seed is Sleepy. So all of these different things, the eggs, the rocks, the butterflies, and the seeds, are all part of our natural world. They're things that occur in nature. So they use short, poetic phrases and large print, and in smaller print, interesting factual information that will tackle science concepts and expand on poetic phrases. And we haven't done a lot with poetry yet, but we're going to start to explore it a little bit more. So, the medium or the things they use to draw their illustrations are ink and watercolor stretches. They're full of color and intricate, realistic details. And they each page is illustrated to add interest and to show you more and give you more information. They use the word accessibility, and that means you are able to access the information in a more visual way instead of having to read. This book is a series, and it's going to introduce the beauty of the natural world, and it's going to use figurative language, which we've studied a lot, and we know that figurative language are words and phrases that can't be taken literally to help you understand a little bit better. But this is nonfiction, but written with fictional type writing. But we're going to learn today that the fictional type writing we're going to explore more, which is the figurative language, can also be found in nonfiction texts. So I'm going to start off by just showing you the front cover of each book. So this book is called An Egg is Quiet. And what do you think she means when she tells you an egg is quiet? So here's some examples of some of the things they talked about. So using the print, the large print to show you, and the smaller print to give you a little more information. These are really beautiful pictures. And she's chosen to use a pretty whimsical, fancy print and almost calligraphy to show you. And here we go. And there's something we just learned about the timeline, showing you the cycle, how an egg develops. That's pretty neat. So that's a little bit about an egg is quiet. Let's take a look at a rock is lively. Now, when you think about rocks, do you think about rocks as being lively? Would you use the word lively to describe a rock? Well, a rock isn't alive, so that's funny she chose that word lively. And we're going to figure out a little more. There's a beautiful picture. That's more of a realistic picture, isn't it? These are pretty. And there's that whimsical calligraphy type script print again. Some more pictures. And a volcano. And then a beautiful picture in the back of the book showing all types of different rocks. That book is A Rock is Lively. A butterfly is patient. So you can see, if we're going back, you can see some of the use of the watercolor in her pictures. Bright colors. There's a lively print pad. There's some more. Now, if we were in the classroom right now, you know, most of your teachers probably would have put the books out in groups and said, hey, wait a minute to put all these books together. Well, being in the situation we're in, we're going to have to just do that together. Here's a few more. Wow, that's really pretty. Very, very beautiful drawings. This is a very pretty book. Oh, there's some more. Now let's take a look at A Seed is Sleepy. Would you describe a seed as being sleepy? Now there's seeds we saw that look similar to how she shows a rocks. And a rock is lively. So there's definitely some more similarities. There it is again, that beautiful print. And then the smaller print, which is going to explain more what we're reading. And she's using words like sleepy, adventurous, inventive to describe seeds. We're definitely going to take some more time to talk about why she chose, or why both of the authors chose, to use these kinds of words to describe these non-living things. A seed is clever. That's not usually a word you use to describe a seed. I know some of you have used the word clever to describe other characters in different books, but I've never heard a seed being described as clever. So I'm really interested to read this book and find out why she uses words like quiet to describe an egg, lively to describe a rock, patient to describe a butterfly, and sleepy to describe a seed. So you're just going to have to stay tuned for us reading these books and to dig a little deeper, and we'll come up with things that we always and often notice that we can say that all these books have in common or one way or another. I hope you look forward to hearing these books. I know I'm excited to read them to you. So I hope you've enjoyed the introduction to our next text set, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.